Hello, and it's Barry again, all tied up, ready for the festive songs that you guys love singing and playing over the coming months. So, this is song number 106. We wish you a Merry Christmas, and this is a lovely one to play. But in order for us to have most fun playing this, we must know what the chords are, the chord structure, and what kind of strumming we can use when we play this song. So, first, looking at the chord structure, we've got an A7 and a D7, and you guys are already doing this with your eyes. But wherever you see an A7 or a D7, and you feel like, I know the A and I know the D, play that instead. Do not play the seventh part unless you feel challenged and you want to find what those are. I'm going to quickly run you through these chords. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little chords here. So to begin with, we're going to have the G on finger 1 on string 3, fret 2, finger 2 on string 1, fret 3, and then finger 3 on string 2, fret 3. And so find these as many times as you can. This will help you hold on to them and memorize them. Then we've got the C, the lovely C chord from the G. That's easy. Just go with your third finger down to the C. That's your C. And then, surprisingly, the A7 is quite easy. It's just move one finger there and play the A7. So instead of the A that's up there, I wanted to play the A7 because the A7 is pretty easy. One finger. So if we've got G, C, A7. And then the D, for those who know, I have a cheat D that you can play. Use two fingers from the A7. There's your G, D, D. So fingers 1 and 2 just in fret 2. So I'm going to just go over the G, the C, and look at my A7. My fingers right there for the A7. And now for the D, I slide it across and I find the D there. And I play those. Now, if you want to play the D7, we bar all of that, and that's your D7. Cool. And then there's one last little chord. Please pause the video here, wherever. We've got the E minor, which is on string 1, fret 2, string 2, fret 3, string 4, string 3, fret 4. Or if you want to find the easier one, it's the E minor 7, and we just play that there. So look at how easy this is. We wish you a merry C. We A7 wish you a merry D. Well, we wish you a merry E minor and a C. New Year. Oh, that's nice and easy. Now, pause the video there. Please take time to play those chords and make changes between them. 10 times is amazing. Oh, well, I'm lying. 10 times is okay. But 30 times is better. But if you do it 100 times, then you're probably one of my better students. So let's get straight into it. That's the chords. Moving on from the chords, we look at the chord structure. G, C, A7, D7. So the only place where we have many chords happening in one bar is where and a happy new year. So we've got there C, C, D, G, 1, 2, 3, 4. So obviously to say the song is in 4/4, so within your bars, we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a happy new year. Okay, so let's just slowly go through those, and we'll start right on the top. Find your best G. So this is the jam along. We can do straight just 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, or you can go 8. 1 and 2. We 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, or we could go. We 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3. But if any of that scares you, you just go. We are 1, 2, 3, 4, minor, 2, 3, 4, C, C, D, D. Okay, so let's have a go. 1, 2, 3, we 1, 2, 3, we wish you a merry C. We wish you a merry D. We wish you a merry E minor and a C, C, D. We 2, 3, 4, and so let's do that again. This time we're going to do the 8 notes, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and we and 2, 3 and 4, and C and 2 and 3 and 4, and A7 and 2 and 3 and 4, and D7, 2, 3 and 4, and the G and 2 and 3 and E minor, 4 and a C and 2 and 3 and 1, 2. Okay, let's sing it now. And 1, 2 and 3 and 4. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry D-Christmas. We G you a Merry E minor. 4 and C and 2 and G and 3 and 4. Good tidings, do a D, to an E minor and back to D. Then the G and then the E minor, and a 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and I'm going to correct myself on that. There we have the C. Merry Christmas. We go and a Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, so I'm not so clear on that one, but hear me out. Once you get the flow of the song, you'll get the feel for it. Let's go right through the whole song now. Bring us some figure puddings that we'll just continue through the song. 1 and 2 and 3, we 1. I'll count us again. We go on the 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, we wish. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, we wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry D. We G you a Merry E minor and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we D, to the E minor and the D. Good tidings, will Christmas and a Happy New 1 and 2 and 3. Bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. And relax. So there, bring us some figure pudding. You can play that E7 there again. Now pause the video and play through it. Now I know there's here and there a little bit of uncertainty with 1 and a Happy New 1. Let me know how you get on with this song. First of all, it's an amazing little song to play along, and this will be song number 6. We wish you a Merry Christmas. Have a lot of fun. Please don't forget to download this song so that you have it all with the chords on the top. So I'm saying bye for now.